News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Water Development Agency, National Museum, New Delhi, Reserve Bank of India Services Board, National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh, Indian Institutes of Technology, Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad, and Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Civil Aviation. National Water Development Agency NWDA was set up in July 1982 as Autonomous Society under the Societies Registration Act 1860 to carry out the water balance and other studies on a scientific and realistic basis for optimum utilization of water resources of the Peninsular River System for preparation of feasibility reports and thus to give concrete shape to Peninsular River Development component of National Perspective Plan prepared by Central Water Commission and the then Ministry of Irrigation, now Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. In the year 1990, NWDA was also entrusted with the task of Himalayan component of National Perspective Plan. National Water Development Agency invites application from retired personnel for engagement of technical, administration, finance consultants and secretariat or finance assistants purely on contractual basis for a period of 1 year, which may be further extended on need basis for its headquarters and regional offices across the country. Job description and terms of engagement are available on the agency's website www.nwda.gov.in. Eligible and interested applicants may send their applications on or before 15th March 2021 in prescribed format with self-attested copies of certificate, qualification and experience through email or speed post. Only shortlisted applicants will be called for personal interaction. NWDA reserves the right to reject any applications without assigning any reason. Separate applications are required to be sent for each position or discipline. National Museum, New Delhi invites application for one post of Deputy Curator, Anthropology, Group A, by deputation including short-term contract in the National Museum, New Delhi, a subordinate office under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Applications must reach through proper channel within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. For details, that is qualification, experience, eligibility, age limit, biodata or curriculum vitae pro forma, etc., visit National Museum website www.nationalmuseumindia.gov.in. Reserve Bank of India was established on April 1, 1935 in accordance with the provisions of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. The central office of the Reserve Bank was initially established in Kolkata but was permanently moved to Mumbai in 1937. Reserve Bank of India Services Board invites applications from eligible candidates for the post mentioned below in Reserve Bank of India, RBI or bank. 11 post of Legal Officer in Grade B, 1 post of Manager, Technical, Civil in Grade B, 12 post of Assistant Manager, Rajbhasha in Grade B, and 5 post of Assistant Manager, Protocol and Security in Grade A. Candidates to ensure their eligibility for the post. Before applying, candidates should ensure that they fulfill the eligibility criteria for the advertised post. The Reserve Bank of India Services Board, hereinafter referred to as Board, would admit to the examination all the candidates applying for the post with the requisite fee or intimation charges as applicable based on the information furnished in the online application and shall determine their eligibility only at the final stage, that is, interview stage. If at that stage it is found that any information furnished in the online application is false or incorrect, or if according to the board the candidate does not satisfy the eligibility criteria for the post, his or her candidature will be cancelled and he or she will not be allowed to appear for the interview, claim any reimbursement towards travelling and can be removed from service without notice if he or she has already joined the bank. Candidates are required to apply online only through the bank's website www.rbi.org.in. No other mode for submission of application is available. Brief instructions for filling up the online application form are available on bank's website www.rbi.gov.in. Website link is open for online registration of applications and payment of fees or intimation charges till 10th March 2021 up to 6 p.m. Date of examination is 10th April 2021. The eligible candidate shall be issued an admit card 2 weeks before the commencement of the examination. The admit card will be made available on the bank's website www.rbi.org.in for downloading by candidates. No admit card will be sent by post. If a candidate does not receive his e-admit card or any other communication regarding his or her candidature for the examination 2 weeks before the commencement of the examination, he or she should at once contact the help facility as mentioned in the advertisement. Candidates are advised to keep their email ID or mobile number alive for receiving advices, which is admit card or interview letters, etc. Candidates may check emails or SMS regularly. The board does not send any communication through any other mode. National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh, an institute of national importance under Ministry of Education, Government of India, invites applications in the prescribed format from interested candidates with working experience in the areas of finance and accounts for one post of Assistant Registrar in Finance and Accounts. For other details regarding educational qualification and experience, nature of duties, general terms and conditions, prescribed application pro forma, etc., applicants are requested to visit the official website www.nitap.ac.in. Last date for receiving of applications is 9th April 2021 up to 5 p.m. Indian Institutes of Technology, Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad, invites applications for the following posts: 3 posts of Medical Officer, 4 posts of Assistant Systems Engineer, 1 post of Counselor, 3 posts of Technical Officer, 1 post of Workshop Superintendent, 1 post of Placement Officer, 1 post of Deputy Registrar, and 7 posts of Assistant Registrar. For complete details regarding essential qualification, experience, general instructions, etc., visit the Institute's website www.iitism.ac.in. Application is required to be submitted as per the instructions contained in the detailed advertisement. Last date for submission of application is 20th March 2021. In partial modification to the vacancy circular dated 17th December 2018, applications in the prescribed pro forma are invited from eligible candidates for recruitment to 2 posts of Deputy Director, Aircraft Engineering, General Central Service Group A on deputation including short-term contract basis in the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, Ministry of Civil Aviation, New Delhi. The details like general conditions, eligibility criteria, pro forma of application form and other details are available on the website of DGCA, that is www.dgca.gov.in. Interested and eligible officials may send their applications in prescribed pro forma along with the tested copies of the APAR for the last 5 years, cadre clearance and vigilance clearance through proper channel to concerned authority within 60 days from the date of advertisement of this vacancy in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.